There are sites out there that can help you earn thousands of dollars in an absolutely passive way. You will do an hour of work and then enjoy the rest of your life, enjoy with your friends, go for an outing with your family, watch movies, or go to the beach and relax while earning money in the process. Hey there, welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. Today, I will introduce to you a fantastic strategy that I know you will like. It's a site that I think you have never heard before. This is GearBest.com. This is a shopping platform closely similar to Amazon, eBay, and many others. And you can find a bundle of products on this website, from gadgets such as cell phones, laptops, AirPods, to improvements such as projector lamps, air purifiers, and many more. I know what you're thinking, that we will be selling products and other stuff, but absolutely that's not the case. Because we will be promoting products in this case with a strategy, and we will be working as a marketing associate in GearBest.com. Be sure to watch the whole video because I will show you that this website has an insane commission. That's the main reason why we will be using it instead of another shopping platform. If you promote products on this site as an associate, it pays a decent amount of money. And if you do it with strategy, you will be earning dollars while sleeping. All you need to do on this site is scroll at the bottom and find partnership programs and then click it. On the next page, you need to scroll down a little bit. And as you can see, start earning now and click it. And welcome to the Kingdom of Dollars. On this page, you will find out why I chose this site to work as an associate rather than the other platforms, because this site will be giving you an absolutely insane percentage of commission. As you can see here, up to 50% commission and free. If you're going to browse on Google SimilarWeb.com, as you can see, this website has had 17.29 million visitors in the past months. It's less popular than Amazon, but there are also millions of people who visited the site. In this portion of the video, I will show you how to apply as an associate on GearBest.com. In order to sign up as an associate on this site, you need to click Join Now here. On the next page, you will enter your basic information such as email and password. And be sure to click on here. It means that you agree on the terms and conditions of the platform. And then clicking continue, and in here, you need to enter a bit of information about yourself to start working as an associate. Once you already created your account, it's time to show you the types of products you will promote. And security cameras are one of the best among others. And I will show you later in this video why this product is one of the best products to promote. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Now, with that said, you will be considering 3 things in promoting security cameras. The first thing is, it has to have good ratings. And the second one, it has to have at least 30 reviews. Lastly, the camera has a very good price for you and your potential customers. I will suggest that you look for a camera that has a $20 to $60 price range. You can input that particular price range in here, the minimum price in here, and the maximum. Or you can choose from this suggested price range. And I have found several of them, this one and this one. The first one cost nearly $28, had a very good rating, and more than 100 reviews. While the second one cost quite more expensive, around $60, had an awesome rating, and most of all, had over 100 reviews. All you need to do is find at least 3 awesome cameras at different prices. Don't forget to grab the links on the following cameras. And now, I will introduce you to a large scope of promoting the said cameras online. And I will show you proof that there are people who do this kind of way in earning passive income online. The traffic sourcing that I will be introducing to you is YouTube. Now, I have 2 methods on YouTube that I will be showing you. The first one, which is the most effective, requires a decent camera and a microphone. People doing reviews on security cameras have 100,000 views because there are few people who are doing this kind of content. The good thing is, you don't need to deal with competitions. And believe it or not, most of these videos have affiliate links. For example, This video has almost 2.8 million views. And now take a look at this. Open the description box and it shows the affiliated links on the camera selling in a shopping platform. And if 1% out of millions of people who view the video and click the link and buy the product, the creator of this video will earn hundreds of dollars without lifting his muscles. And another example is this video. It has nearly 400,000 views and he uses the same strategy. He also posts the Amazon affiliate links in the video. And now, as you witness, most of the people who review cameras online have their affiliated links in the description. And most of them got thousands or even millions of views. The best thing in this way is that the people I showed you earlier also got massive income from the ad revenue, so they're not earning as marketing associates. Doing this way isn't easy because you will do certain research first on the camera you are promoting, share its pros and cons with the audience, and exert extra effort to create such a video. And it takes some time, and I can guarantee you that your effort will be paid. You need to upload like 5 to 10 videos and you can take a rest while earning money in a passive way. And if you can't be able to create this kind of video for such reasons, all you need to do is re-upload videos from other people. This will not allow you to monetize, but you can put your affiliate links on the camera in the description box. In this way, you'll be creating a certain promotion without taking a video of yourself. All you need to do is create security cameras compilations and then click on filters here and then select Creative Commons. This will now display videos that you can download and re-upload on your own. If you ask how to download videos on YouTube, just copy the link of the YouTube video, go to Google, search YouTube to MP3, select MP4 and click download. After you download it, you can upload it on your YouTube. As I've said earlier, this isn't as effective as the first method. What you can do is earn a bit of money and buy stuff like a microphone and camera. And by the way, you don't need to be so creative because you're just starting. I will recommend doing the second method if you don't have any equipment. But if you have, you should do the first one. Anyways, you can do the second method, and if you earn an exact amount of money, you can invest it in the kinds of stuff so that you can be able to do the second one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.